So do you think we got it?
Well, he's got a bad termination.
That's not good.
Because his fan comes on right after a defrost.
Oh.
There's no delay.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Oil looks good.
Alright.
I want to see where that termination is. They mounted this thing thermostat. I gotta take this whole cover off here. It's a 3-wire. There's a termination on my truck. On the dashboard of my truck, it's in a bag.
Okay. That it? That was it, wasn't it? Look at that. So Gino's in there changing the termination, and I'm gonna hook it up. I'm gonna hook it back up right here. Then a fork. I'm gonna put it on X. So X is your termination. Alright, well, we'll just keep that our little secret, okay? Alright. And then next we're going to go ahead and insulate this line. There. Armor Flex. So, lightning. Ta-da. And now we're all insulated up there, so that's beautiful. And don't forget your catfish sight glass, so you know if it's wet or dry. People don't really know what that is. Like something's leaking on there, so it's good to put a cap on there, so nobody calls you for a bogus leak. Oh, there's where the old one used to go. That's for the walk-in cooler there. And we just cut it and teed it in up there. Part right there. Oh, that's a beautiful job, isn't it? Yes, sir. You still messing with that termination?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. Oh. I'm gonna put the towels back best I can here.
You fucking bastard. Son of a bitch. Oh, why am I fighting with it so much? Holy mother. Oh, God.
Back up and up. That's why I was sending my clock crazy.
Oh man. She was toasty.
Yeah. That's why I was sending my clock. The clock is going for a loop.
So right now our box is about 10 degrees. Our suction line is 1 degree. And temperature pressure is right here. 20 pound suction. And temperature pressure is 1 degree. 20 pound suction. 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 20 That gives us down section is -14. We're doing great. 15 degrees difference. 3 hours later. It just pumped down, shut off at 5 pounds. Well, that's good. That should be good. You don't really want it to shut off in a vacuum. Well, this will conclude our tour of the freezer. Oh, Jesus. Now we're going to test the defrost. It's 9:42. We'll probably reset the clock after we're done. Fans are off. We got termination. Actually, termination is when it comes out of defrost. If the coil is
Temperature coil's got to be 50 degrees.
50 degrees.
According to that one.
According to that one.
Right now we're pumped down. We're in defrost. Let's see if we can hear the heaters. Heaters are on.
Heaters are on. Gino's going to go get an amp probe. He wants to do a demonstration here on how to correctly amp your heaters. He wrote 3.7 amp on there. Now what? Okay, tell me again why we do this.
Well, what you want to do it, why you want to do it is write it down with your amperage in case you ever have a problem with it freezing up. What you do is you come off of white.
White, which is number 4 on your clock.
Your amperage is 3.75.
Right on.
Right on what we marked down back in 09.
Right.
That means our heaters are working. Now we know what they draw all the time. So if we ever come here and it's iced up, we throw in defrost, and if the amperage is 2 or 1 or none, you know that the heaters are bad.
Oh.
You're getting power to the heaters.
Oh, what a novel idea.
Yeah. So you know what it should be drawing. Because if it's drawing like 2, you'll be thinking, well, what is the rating? Is it 2? I don't know.
Right on. Huh.
If it's drawing 2, that means you got a bend bad.
It's like professional graffiti.
Only half the heaters could be working.
Right on. Or just the drain pan, or just the coil. Yeah.
Correct.
Right on.
Correct. So you know what your amperage should be. Now we're going to wait for it to terminate. No one took the time though, did it? Because it's on 20-minute defrost.
Oh.
What time is it?
It's 9:42. It was.
So I'm thinking we put it in about 9:39, 9:38.
9:49.
Because we just changed termination, so we make sure termination is working. Our fans are not on right now. We'll see if it delays our fans after defrost. It should. We'll see what temperature it gets up to during defrost.
Oh.
So then we can mark it down so they know, so Kevin knows what temperature it gets to. during defrost. Right now it's at 20 degrees.
What's the Hemi? What's that
We
mean?
have the door open though.
What's that mean, the Hemi?
So,
Probably could have got a new engine for his truck cheaper than this thing. Oh. There's like, stand up. Oh. That's a good sign. See, the fan's not running. The fan is not running. But the unit is. It just came out of defrost. That fan will come on when the coil reaches what, 32?
oh, we think it's about 20.
No. You can go yet. I wonder what that's for. Huh, that's weird. It's 10:07. Gino set the clock. Almost lunchtime. We're gonna watch the fan start. See, my suction's low.
Yeah, low suction is the fan didn't start yet.
Remember, my box was 5 degrees earlier, and I had an 18, 20 pounds. So 8,
Here, the
yeah,
fan
20
started.
pounds. So there's the fan. So now I'm 30 pound suction. The box is what?
21 degrees.
21 degree box.
Slowing down, the fan just started. Now the suction's up. The fan's coming on. About 30 pounds.
That'll flash a little bit too when the fan's not running, right?
Yep.
That's good to know. You don't just get here and just start dumping gas in it.
Frost coming back.
Can't see anything with that light.